Alright, to begin, I have the iMovie app open, so let's tap the Create Project button. Then select Movie. Now go back to Media and find the video you'd like to use as your background. Then select your video and tap the little circle with the check mark before tapping Create Movie. Okay, now position the playhead to where you want your image to appear on your video. I'll just put mine at the very start. Then click the plus button and find the image you'd like to overlay on your video. Select the image and tap the button with the three dots. And down here, select Picture in Picture. Okay, and now I have an image that plays over my video. To change when your image plays over your video, simply tap to select it on the timeline and then tap and hold it to drag it to a new position. You can also change the duration of your image clip by tapping to select it and then tapping and holding one of the edges to drag its end. Next, let's change where our image is in the frame by selecting it on the timeline and then tapping the middle button with the four arrows. Now you can drag your image in the preview to reposition it in the frame. You can also change the image's size by just using the pinch gesture. To zoom into your image instead, tap the top button, and then use the pinch gesture on the image. Okay, and that's all there is to adding a picture over a video in iMovie. Thanks for watching and see you next time.